I thought this was supposed to be a tour. I literally just got here and somebody handed me a work assignment. Why does everyone think I belong here? That guy just pointed at this giant stone block and told me to help move it. I don't know how to explain that I have absolutely zero pyramid building experience. I've been dragging stones for hours. Everyone here is somehow stronger, faster, and way more coordinated than me. I think I'm holding up ancient history. I finally climbed high enough to see the whole project. This isn't just a building site, it's one of the most ambitious things humanity has. The sun is setting, and it finally hit me. I spent the entire day helping build a pyramid. This might be the strangest and greatest accidental job I've ever had. Something big is happening today. Everyone's acting nervous, and I just heard a rumor that the Pharaoh's inspector might be coming. Nobody wants to be responsible for a mistake. Nobody is even pretending to stay calm anymore. They're fixing everything they can find before the inspector gets here. I've never seen people move stone this fast. The foremen look absolutely terrified. Every few minutes, somebody finds another problem. If this inspection goes badly, I don't think anyone wants to find out what happens next. Wait, look over there. That's not another work crew. I think the royal procession is actually here. Everybody just stopped what they're doing. It's over. The inspection route is clear, the officials seem satisfied, and nobody got yelled at. Considering how this morning started, that's basically a miracle. Everyone else is looking at giant stone blocks. Me? I'm trying to find out what lunch looked like 4,000 years ago. 4,000 priorities. I just got invited to lunch. Bread, onions, and honestly, after walking through the desert all morning, this smells incredible. Now we're checking out the fish preparation area. This is way more organized than I expected. Feeding thousands of workers is a huge operation. They just handed me a cup of Egyptian beer. It's thicker than I expected, definitely not what I drink back home, but now I understand why workers looked forward to meal breaks. Today wasn't about kings or treasure. It was about the people who actually lived here, worked here, and ate together every day. That's the part of history I wasn't expecting to find. They told me not to go in there. But look at this, there's an unfinished entrance hidden behind the work crews. If they catch me wandering inside this pyramid, I'm definitely in trouble. I didn't expect the inside to look like this. These corridors aren't finished yet, and there are workers everywhere carving and measuring. We're seeing parts of the pyramid nobody outside is supposed to see. I just met one of the architects, and he's showing me how the chambers connect inside the pyramid. This place is way more complex than I ever imagined. These craftsmen are shaping blocks so precisely, it's unbelievable. They're explaining how every stone has to fit perfectly for the pyramid to rise safely. I can't believe they're showing me this. These hidden chambers and passages aren't random at all. They're part of a massive design. Everyone suddenly started running. I have no idea what's happening, but workers are dropping everything and sprinting away from the ramp behind me. Wait, something is seriously wrong. Oh no! Look at that! The ropes just snapped! That stone block is moving on its own! This entire work site is in chaos right now. Workers are trying to clear the area before that block crashes through everything in its path. The danger's over now, and the engineers are explaining what happened. Apparently, a hauling system failed under the weight of the stone. This could have been much worse. Today was a reminder that building something this enormous is incredibly dangerous. Every block, every ramp, every haul carries risks that most people never think about. Today is a historic day. The pyramid has just reached a new height, and the entire construction site is celebrating. You can feel the excitement everywhere. After years of work, these builders finally have something to celebrate. They're honoring everyone who helped raise the pyramid to this incredible height. Not everyone made it to see this day. Part of today's ceremony is remembering the sacrifices and hardships behind one of the largest construction projects in history. I've been watching this project for weeks, but from up here you finally understand how enormous it really is. The pyramid dominates everything around it. As the sun sets, the pyramid casts a shadow across the desert. Today marked a huge milestone, but standing here, it's clear there's still an incredible amount of work ahead.